Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today we'll explain about the course which name is Taseer Fast Action Enlargement Therapy, offered by Taseer Dawakhana registered. This course is prepared for the male weakness patients to cure their disease. Thousands of men are shy to discuss the topic of penis enlargement or penis pills, and not only because of their complexes, but mostly because they do not believe in positive effect of penis enlargement. Scientific research confirmed the fact that natural penis enlargement therapy with certain special herbs and aphrodisiac do work. This natural remedy helped many men to change their body and life forever. Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy is the only 100% natural best penis enlargement remedy with powerful herbs ingredients whose efficacy and effectiveness in the area of penis enlargement showed extraordinary result. Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy natural ingredients stimulate the body to start multiplying the cells that make up the penis tissues and to improve both the length and girth of the male organ in the shortest possible time. Millions of males endure from a selection of sexual issues that adversely impact their sex life. Desperate to right those troubles, they turn to male enhancement goods such as supplements to aid them accomplish the sexual satisfaction they wish. Viewers, now I am going to tell you causes of male weakness. Causes of male weakness: the disruption of blood flow, the penis vein in the major cause of weakness of penis during sexual intercourse. Although there are other causes to the weakness in erection, such as suffering from diabetes for a long period of time, which must have damaged the nerve system. Cardiovascular disorder, prostate cancer operations, side effects of using hard drugs, multiple sclerosis, hormonal disorders, alcohol and drug abuse, emotional problems such as depression, anxiety, fear of guilt, low self-esteem. And also old age plays important role in the development of weak erection in men's life. Your penis is divided into 3 chambers which are made of a spongy tissues. This tissue absorbs blood as it rushes to the penis, creating an erection. These 3 chambers will gradually expand and eventually be able to hold more blood. This creates a larger penis. If there is an obstacle in many of them, it becomes an important reason. Viewers, the key to growing the penis to stretch and create tension into the erectile tissues, which makes up the majority of the penis in mass, being the corpus cavernous. This stretch of expansion can take place with certain tools for the flaccid, semi-flaccid or erect state. No matter who you are, it will work out for you. Tension and force will make your erectile tissues grow because it has no choice but to respond. Even if gains are slow, you will make them. Viewers, previously I was telling you male weakness causes, now I am telling you Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy course benefits. Benefits of Taseer Fast Action Enlargement Therapy: overall improvement in sexual health, increased penis size up to 1 to 1.5 inch, increased sexual desire, improve your erection stiffness and duration, strengthening and tuning of the sexual glands, increased stamina and sex drive, increased level of testosterone, improved blood circulation, fertility promotion, increased semen and ejaculatory strength. Helps to keep your hormones in balance, increased penis size and hardness, boost level of sexual energy, improved sexual satisfaction for you and your partner. Rapid acting formula, 100% herbs, no chemical or drug. Effective treatment for male impotence. Viewers, let me correct your misunderstanding. It is the fact that the length of the penis can be increased. An example of this is bodybuilding. When you go to the gym for bodybuilding, so in a few days your muscles and chest is double. Similarly, this course Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy naturally enlarge the size of penis. Viewers, Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy can increase blood measurement of male's genitals, expand its cleavage and make it longer, stronger and harder. Simultaneously, this genitals expand its cleavage and make it longer. These products promote the sexual desire, increase the resistance and makes you more self-confident. Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy that is very helpful in curing sex ailments like lack of erection and sperm count. Viewers, as you know, in the present age, nudity and pornography are especially prevalent among the youth. When men are immoral, then he is involved in such commits like masturbation, homosexual watching porn magazines. The prevalence of sexual weakness is increasing day by day due to which nightfall. Spontoria, premature ejaculation, sensitivity and impotence are complained like penis disease, thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, muscular fracture in penis, weak from root, ring in middle of penis, paralyzed penis, bent penis, inflection in penis, loose penis. Viewers, Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy eliminates all imperfections of penis and improve all sexual weakness, and can you give more pleasure and rock hard erection. This course is an erection enhancer which works by improving all body blood circulation and such as increase blood flow to the penis and relax the penile tissues to hold more blood, the process of which leads to a harder, stronger and lasting erection. Viewers, women prefer bigger penis more than men prefer bigger breasts. The average penis measures 6 to 7 inch long and 5 to 5. When you think you have a small penis, you are generally right. Big penis cause more vaginal pleasure for women. Viewers, Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy is a natural and herbal formula which works for the enhancement of the erectile organs. It helps the increases the size of the erectile organs, improve the sexual health and works along with sexual stimulation for much better erection. Viewers, now we will tell you its treatment. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientist of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, worked under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctor, pharmacist and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Now viewers, let me tell you precautions. After researching various natural herbs in the light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discover the safe and effective method of Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy, which is complete cure for restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that's the only cure which does not have any side effects. Avoid drugs. Light exercise and walking are helpful. Avoid pornographic ideas, pornographic literature and movies. Avoid reading bad magazines. Avoid bad society. Use fresh fruit, honey, date, fish, pumpkin, carrot, buttermilk and yogurt. So viewers, if you or your known person have male weakness problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Fast Action Penis Enlargement Therapy. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.